Our goal with this miner repair workshop is really just to train up the next generation of Bitcoin miners. You know, there's a very big need right now in the industry for skilled laborers, and right now, you know, you just can't get a hash board fixed fast enough, it seems.
But with the amount of ASICs being manufactured, there's just simply not enough techs out there to help repair more intricate machines at the moment. So I feel it's a huge friction in the space right now where there's not enough techs and there's too many ASICs. And I think the course could be beneficial into maintaining your farm, or if you actually want to get into a repair studio business.
Here at this Asic repair training, we're going over everything from the simple basics all the way up to the advanced cleaning, consolidation, doing actual hash board repair, chip level, all the way down to board level repair, making sure that the miners are actually working properly. Yeah, so with this miner repair training, it's actually not specific to any manufacturer, so you can actually take this training and learn how miners and hash boards actually work, versus trying to dive in on one specific manufacturer.
No matter what skill level you're at, you can enter into this course and they're not going to push you out for not being at a certain knowledge level. The camaraderie that I've experienced in this class is amazing, honestly, and I'm super glad that I attended this course.
So yeah, you know, people like Austin from Asic Ninja and myself with Scott's Crypto Mining, we're putting on these repair workshops just to really try to fill that need. It's for anyone, you know, anyone of any skill level. You know, some people wonder if they need micro soldering experience or if they need to be really good at Bitcoin mining already, and that's not true. You can come here at any level, so long as you have an interest in troubleshooting and you have a knack for fixing things and just solving problems. We can pretty much teach you anything you need to know